The 10th Five-Year Plan of India, 2002-2007, was a pivotal economic roadmap formulated under the leadership of Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee and later Drive. Manmohan Singh. It aimed to move beyond just economic growth by focusing heavily on inclusive growth, equity, and social justice. Here is a full explanation of its objectives, targets, and performance. 1. Key objectives and focus areas. High growth and income. Target an average annual GDP growth rate of 8.1%, later updated to 8% in various reports, aiming to double the per capita income within 10 years. Poverty reduction. Reduce the poverty ratio by 5 percentage points by 2007 to 21% and by 15 points by 2012. Employment generation. Create 50 million employment opportunities within the 5-year period. Regional equality. Shift from a sectoral approach to a regional approach to reduce economic imbalances between states. Social sector focus. High priority was given to education and literacy, with a goal to increase the literacy rate to 75%. 2. Major monitorable targets, 2002-2007. The 10th plan was distinct for introducing specific, measurable, monitorable targets for key development indicators. Education. All children in school by 2003, 5 years of schooling for all children by 2007. Gender gaps. Reduce gender gaps in literacy and wage rates by at least 50% by 2007. Health. Reduce the maternal mortality ratio, MMR, to 2 per 1000 live births by 2007 and infant mortality rate, IMR, to 45 per 1000. Environment. Increase forest and tree cover to 25% by 2007. Infrastructure. Provide potable drinking water in all villages. 3. Strategies adopted. Agriculture focus. Agriculture was declared the prime moving force of the economy. Private sector involvement. A congenial investment environment was created to encourage private investment, including the privatization of some public sector enterprises. Reforms. Introduction of the Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management (FRBM) Act to manage debt and fiscal deficits. Information technology. It emphasis on IT as an enabler for improving governance, education, and health services. Disaster mitigation. For the first time, disaster management was included as a plan component. 4. Performance and achievements. Growth rate. The target was 8.1%, but the actual GDP growth achieved was 7.6% annually, which was still a high growth rate compared to previous plans. Sectoral performance. The services sector grew strongly. Agriculture saw a growth of around 3.97%. Employment. Significant employment opportunities were created, though some reports suggest 50 million was an optimistic target. Literacy. The country made significant strides in literacy, moving towards the target of 75%. Summary. The 10th Five-Year Plan is considered a successful phase that accelerated India's economic progress and set the stage for higher, more inclusive growth in the 11th plan. It strengthened India's economic framework by emphasizing fiscal discipline and the role of the private sector, while simultaneously investing heavily in human capital development.